Mounjaro will react to certain foods. You need to keep this in mind. When you start Mounjaro and you think you can carry on eating what you did before and you think Mounjaro is going to magically vanish those calories, think again. Mounjaro will have a reaction to certain foods, and some of those symptoms and side effects are severe. I'm not joking here. You may experience vomiting, diarrhea, nausea, sulphur burp, crazy heartburn, even gallstones can get triggered, not to mention the relentless farts. I'm sorry, but these are the things that are going to happen, pretty much guaranteed, if you eat certain foods.